What about mine? You know, sweet tea is precious. We have to keep it protected.
National resource.
What did you get this time? You had cherry Sprite.
An orange Sprite.
Ugh. Why do people mess with drinks? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Don't let my tea fall. What? Y'all, this is every day. Every day. You have candy in the truck. He's not buying any more candy. I swear I can't let him out of my sight in Walmart. He was just right there. This is why he don't go inside with me most of the time. Found him. He's guilty of something. I don't know what. Mama have it? Can Mama have it? Mama can't have it? No? I wonder how many of them have holes in their vehicles so they can fish during their breaks.
God, there should at least be one. Dear God, look at that trailer.
Yep.
This is all jacked up, man.
That is. Good morning, everybody. What is Saturday?
Yes, it is.
March the 23rd. 23rd.
9th.
Made me second guess myself. It's the 23rd. We're in, or just outside of Wilmington, Illinois. I almost said Wilmington, Delaware. Wilmington, Illinois. Headed to Indianola, Mississippi.
Yay!
We deliver there tomorrow night by midnight, so we have plenty of time to get there. 616 miles. That's a drop in the hat for you, right?
I'll get that done before break.
Okay.
Maybe
All right.
if we can get out of this slow boat zone.